No time for joking. I hope this isn't blurry. I kind of wanted to watch that. Should have hit pause. There's no need to hide, 'cause I'ma love you anyway. Gotta finish this coffee. I cut out this pattern piece. I didn't do the best job. Should I zoom in more? I found this fabric at the little places where I always find fabric, and I'm gonna make a bikini today. I found a pattern for a bikini top online, and I cut it out and I pinned it to this fabric, so I'm going to cut it out. Now I'm gonna cut out 4 of these. I want music. I think it's time to invest in some new scissors. Oh, baby, I don't want you all in my grill. Why you all in my grill? Why you all in? Battery flashing. I guess I'm gonna be back after I charge this battery. But while the battery was charging, okay, anyway, while the camera battery was charging, I got really far. So let me show you what I've done so far. So say, actually, no, I can't put it on. Look, this is hard to show, but I'm going to attach, let's see. So this is, let me not lose that. This is my chest. It's gonna tie in the front. That means these strings, I'm gonna hand sew this part, and I'm gonna pay attention to Ozark as I do it, but I'm gonna loop it like that. And I'm just gonna hand stitch it with this blue thread and literally like a needle. Please. Ah, there. So I did it. This is how I'm attaching it, okay? Does that make sense? Okay. I'm sorry. The top is damn near done. I like how the back came. Oh, this is so fun. I'm cutting out the bottom right now, so let me show you. I'm afraid to run out of material. Hold on, Ozark. Hush. So I'm afraid to run out of material, so I might do the inner lining in this blue. Yeah, focus on it. But for now, I've cut out the front piece and the back piece, because it's not the same color as the blue in these stripes, but for some reason I want to incorporate that blue. And I was thinking if I did the ties of the bottom, because I might do it like brief style, like panty style, but I also might do it where like it's just short of meeting, so that the tie is what kind of brings it together, and then I have the little ties on the side. I don't know, I'm obsessed with ties because I don't know, I feel like they make it look less like draws, you know what I mean? I have a sneaking suspicion that I made this too thick, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, I suppose. Focus, you little twerp. I said focus, okay. You know what's really hard? It's hard to show the end result of projects like this because it attracts creeps. Like, bathing suits attract creepy men. It was even harder to get a photo that, I found myself like trying to get a photo that doesn't put me in a position where I have to see something stupid and block somebody. But I don't know if I can control my environment that much. I can only control my reaction. I finished the bathing suit. I actually need a wax pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. I guess it's hard to translate the feeling that I'm feeling when I make something and it turns out nice. And I don't know, I want to share it, but then it's like, I guess I can't worry about how people are gonna interpret it and let them do that on their own. Oh, that looks a little better. All I can do is protect my space and block when necessary. But it's a problem that, you know, I guess it just comes with it. This bathing suit is my most successful project in a while. That's how I feel. But it's possible that I only feel like that because the last project that I made, it was like a disaster. I ended up like getting a burn from my oh, come on, dude. Yeah, a burn from the lamp of the serger. This feels good to have a win. And this has so much detail, and it's like, how do you show it without trying to show too much, I guess? And I really do hate that, but creeps make it so that it's hard to just be your fucking self. So, and it looks so good. Like, it looks like I paid good money for it, and that's a good feeling. Damn, this thing looks good. Who wanna buy it? Just kidding. I guess this is the end of the video. It's kind of like a maybe kind of like a sew with me, but not really. It's like a vlog mixed with who knows. With me, who really knows. I'll do one more view for the road. One more angle. It looks so nice. It feels so good. This material is so just perfect. Everything was perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm creating a reel, and in one of the clips I was just like, this project, oh, that's crooked. This project was so fun, top to bottom. It was just joy, joy, joy up into the last stitch. So, and that rarely even happens. Oh, what I wanted to do was get some beads and put it on the ends of, yeah, put it on these ends. But it's not super necessary, but when I do add it, it'll look really cute. It's my little Jayla bracelet. But all right, I have other things to do today, so I'm gonna get started on that, and then I'll edit this video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye! If you made it all the way through this video, I really appreciate you clicking and watching, and I hope you had an all right time watching this video, because I had a damn good time making it. And I will be back with another project pretty soon.